A simple picture might have so much meaning. The top right deep, or say seemingly the back of space, golden suns and white plasma ones magnetic perhaps, then right bottom the second form of plasma may be magnetic to darkness, evil, negative. Could the universe have a positive and a negative side, both dimensionally and within this dimension? Maybe. Center top Earth's sun, which is in fact white, Earth's outer gas layers might change what we see, the sun's rays hitting Earth, the northern and southern lights top and bottom, maybe half planet and each side. Moving on, the biggest pole is the South Pole, so the North Pole has to be the top, fair to say at the least. Say the top is positive and the bottom negative, the dawn of a new day, could or should it be from the top, and the end of the day the bottom? Time, more on that later. In the center of this Earth is aliens, reptilians, Cabal, and many others. Dimensional could be true, below that bottom center a UFO, with maybe dimensional evil aliens within it. Top left, a moon, alien-made warfare, could be, and perhaps magnetic control. Left bottom, a black star, say maybe dark matter or energy grows with negative actions and destruction, like burning, make ash. Fire might be made by two forms of plasma, not darkness. They might be where ice demons come from, for me to what I have been told. These are the four elements. Everything else might be a magnetic change from all within that space, and perhaps dimensionally, over huge time, that might explain the picture. Now time we all know, if old enough, time, dates, months, seasons, etc. Could there be on Earth evidence of how aliens time travel at the cost of life on Earth? Could history show that? Some points of what I now understand. Every year, we have the longest day and the shortest day. Time starts from the top of the planet's longest day. Maybe call that January, and months might adjust to this time frame. Each year, ever heard as you get older the years go faster? They are all the same. Should the mid-season say June 21st to 22? Which year is the shortest day? Which changes? Should our months with this? Could we have time clocks that spin the other way to the 24 hours of a day? Slow down the gearing. Would this fit to the changing seasons? Time? For me, this world shows us this. Negative Earth, all power to your anything runs that way. Could that have an effect? Maybe. Could the top of the planet be attacking each other in a positive, we have reason, and the bottom hiding truth and have an excuse? Maybe. Each to their own, have a great time, while our clocks still tick.